So guys, it's auction day. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I already make some coffee. Just fed the dogs. Gonna go meet with Dave and Nicole and see what kind of cars we can get. So let's get to it. What do you think, Jackie?
Thanks.
She hasn't had her coffee yet, folks. Alright guys, so we're actually gonna be taking Jackie's car down because Jackie doesn't know how to drive a stick and she can't drive my car back and she can't drive back any cars that are sticks. So, Jackie's car, let's go. Alright guys, so we are in Jackie's 2015 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk. Jackie's still waking up. Say hi. What's your YouTube channel name? Go check out Jackie's channel, Jack Attack 412, where she does mods to the Jeep Renegade. Up and coming YouTube star. Go check it out, sub right now. We're gonna meet Dave and Nicole at Sheets. And we're getting ready for auction day. Supposedly, rumor has that there's an S2000 and a GTI at the auction, so hopefully we get a look at it. This guy's my hero. That guy's always down here driving that thing around. I love him. It's always nice buying gas that isn't 93 and put them in cars, but we're here, grab some coffee, some food, waiting for Dave and Nicole. But, like I said to you guys before, capless gas caps. No cap. Come on, Volkswagen, what are you doing? Man, that was fast. Only 12 bucks. All right, guys, so just a little bit of update for my coffee lovers out there. Sheets is now doing just a double shot of espresso that you can just buy. Awesome. I don't even know how much it was. It was like $1 something?
$1.99.
$1.99, double shot espresso. But I just got the word from Dave that he's not coming to Sheets, and we're just gonna meet him over there at the auction. So, let's go. Mannheim, Pittsburgh. Woo woo! Alright, let's find a parking spot. We're gonna get our badges, finish our food, head in and start looking at some cars. Alright guys, we are back. Unfortunately, I couldn't take you guys into the auction. You guys know that. You know what's up. Anyways, we scored a couple sweet pieces I'm going to show you guys. But the steal, the deal, the car of the day is this premium 2003 Miata NB with 24,579 miles on it. Stick shift, clean, Bose interior, AEM intake. I'm gonna drive this thing back. I'm gonna give you a little bit more of an in-depth look at this thing. So let's head back. So unfortunately, we need to get a little bit of gas. So let's put like $5 in, see where it gets us. We're almost on E right now. So
That's it.
where is the? What is that? What is that? Oh, it's probably your mirror. Trying to find the gas tank. Usually back here. You don't see it. All right, so after some digging, they put the gas release in here. Nice. Now it says premium only, so I guess we'll put premium in it. Second time today putting gas in a car that's not mine. It barely moved. Oh look, here comes Dave in the new diesel. All right, so update. We now are up to a half tank of gas with 2 gallons. It must have just taken a little while for it to fill up, but $10, half tank gas, all the smiles. This thing's got a cold air intake. Yes! She's a quick little bugger for probably less than 2-liter engine. We're gonna see how well it takes the turns. A little bit of a twisty coming up. This thing is not bad. Not bad at all. Well, after that little rip, we are now back down under half tank. So. Just got back to the dealership. Let's take a look at this 24,000 mile Miata. Some type of special edition, has some ground effects, plastic wheels, automatic antenna. I love this writing. It's like freaking super writing. This thing is clean, it's fresh, it's freaking awesome. Looks like it's been garage kept its whole life. Absolutely no rust. Specialia Additional. So it's pretty sweet. You guys saw, it has a Nardi steering wheel. We're gonna get this thing in the shop, get it all cleaned up and get it rock and roll so somebody out there can come and buy it. If you guys are interested, hit me up, DM me, email me, text me. Route 168 Automotive. But anyways, shameless plug there. Let's pull this thing inside. Oh, there's a poor little S2000. I'm sorry I couldn't take you in. They'd kick me out if I took a GoPro inside. Woo! Yeah, it's a sweet piece. Suburban, Sierra Classic 25, C10. I probably should have left the lights on here. For some reason I thought I was gonna go out the other way, but then I had to close the door from the inside and lock it, but yeah. Let's go look at the S2000 real quick. Look at these views on views on views out here. Western Pennsylvania, guys, Route 168 Automotive is beautiful out here. Yeah, this thing's definitely a lot bigger than that Miata. Poor girl, one of these days we'll have her back up and running. All right, let's go back and get in the car with Jackie. So real talk, how was your first auto auction experience?
Tiring.
You know, a lot of people don't get to experience what Jackie experienced today. A lot of people have to work for it, and Jackie just rolled her way right in. Not like she rolled because she's fat, like rolled in there.
I am not fat.
But she just like rolled her way in. All right, since we're doing this little vlogging thing, I'm gonna show you guys the best part about coming home. Whoa, you guys sleeping? Wilson! Bailey! Bailey! Oh! Wilson!
Yay! Hold on, let me get the door before you let Wilson out.
Oh, 3, 2.
Right in between
almost poked
legs.
him in the eyeball.
Go outside!
Go outside!
Go outside, buddy! Go potty! Oh.
Oh.
In between my legs again, let me go make sure he goes potty.
And that's how it always is whenever we come home.
Now, for the first time, all the power and productivity. It's the narrowest note we've ever made.
Alright guys, so I came home and, let me pause. Came home, got some stuff done around the house, watched the Galaxy Note unveiling because I'm going to be picking up the new Note 10 coming from an iPhone X, iPhone 10, going to a Note 10. And I laid down for like a half an hour nap, and next thing I know it's 8:30. So we're gonna be heading over to the shop, cleaning the Miata, getting ready to rock and roll, taking some pictures of it. You guys can see I changed clothes because we're gonna be doing some work getting dirty over there. But I'll see you guys at the shop. Back at the shop, back with the Miata. Also, we scored this sweet F-150 EcoBoost 4-door FX4 fully loaded. Let's see if it's unlocked. Probably not. Oh, it is. Fully loaded, center console, big screen, moonroof. We're doing some stuff to that. I still have to modify my truck. I need to get a list together because I have a certain amount of money to spend on my truck that is just floating around. So if you guys have any comments, any ideas for the truck, what you want to see done to it, wheels, tires, leveling kit, probably just the leveling kit. That's what this thing has, and it looks fire. Looks good with just the leveling kit. Those are probably 35s, I bet. But drop a comment of what you guys want to see me do to the F-150, my FX4, my 2005 FX4. That stuff's gonna be coming up real soon. But we are gonna start detailing the Miata, getting it ready to rock and roll, take some pictures of it so that when Dave comes back into work tomorrow, he can post it up, get it online, get sold. So we're gonna use some products from our good boys over at Car Clean System. Thank you guys again for sending us some stuff. So let's get to it.
I've been in your waters.
So guys, this is like the coolest setup ever. We have a flex hose that is super flexible, just like the name says. And actually, let me move you over here. And this thing has a sliding back and forth with a crank. Let me bring you over here. Watch this thing go from side to side while I crank it. It's just the coolest thing ever. Like, have you ever had something so easy rolling in a freaking hose? So I have some big news for you guys that stuck around and watched this entire video. I feel like I owe it to you guys for the surprise that's going to come here in a package form tomorrow, which will be today when you see this video, because I'm going to post it tomorrow. So it'll actually be today when you're watching this video. But I got some stuff from Aerofab. I got a front splitter and I got the rear spoiler extension, and we're going to be doing some cool stuff for them. We kind of like partnered up, teamed up, and we're going to be creating some nice fresh content, do some different stuff than what's already out there. But I want to fill you guys in on something that happened at the auction today that was pretty bad. We had bought a 2015 or 16 Dodge Ram 2500 four-door long bed heavy duty Cummins that was premium, lifted, had sweet wheels and tires, was the works, awesome tuner, sounded amazing, everything. So we all jump in the cars, we're driving home. The auction's probably about 30 minutes from the dealership. And within the first 2 to 3 minutes, Dave's driving that truck back and he hits a bump and gets a death wobble like no other. So hurries up, pulls off the side of the road because he almost went into the other lane, turned around, went back to the dealership or the auction, was like, what the heck's up with this? What can you guys do for me? So at first they're like, we don't cover suspension parts, that's wear and tear, there's no warranty on it, blah, blah, blah. We just spent a pretty penny on this thing. It was probably it was the second most expensive car we've had so far, other than the Roush that just sold. That was sweet that thing sold. Took it back, they did an inspection on it, and it came back that the exhaust was deleted. Now, why this is important is because there was a check engine light. The person who was selling the vehicle didn't declare that the exhaust was deleted. Any type of illegal modifications, things like that, they have to be declared, or if there's a check engine light, if there's issues. And this guy was kind of squirrely and didn't declare it. So under that stipulation, under whatever you want to call it, we were able to refund. We were able to return that truck, get a refund, and we're going to be back in the game for another sick truck like that. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. This was a long one today. This is a vlog style thing. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you liked it, and watch for more content to come. And I'm getting that Galaxy Note 10. So maybe I'll talk about that sometime soon. Peace.